Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the PhysioBank ATM to download data from a database on PhysioNet. For example, we're taking the EEG during mental arithmetic task database. And again, as you may be familiar, the data is all here in a .edf format. In total, we have 36 subjects, and for each subject, we have 22 signals. So how do you only download the signals you need? So you go to PhysioBank, you select the database, EEG, during mental arithmetic, and then record which subject, subject 0, 0, 1. You notice for each subject we have 1 and 2 files. Subject 1, we have 1 and 2 files. So the 1 file, number 1, is the one before the mental arithmetic task, and 2 is the file after. If you read the paper associated with the database, you will know that for the before, the signal is 3 minutes long, and for the after, or for the during, it is 1 minute long. Okay, so you select the subject. You select, first of all, we want to see all of them, just for the sake of explaining. We want all of the signals. And again, for visualization, let's just say we're gonna see for 10 seconds. If you scroll down here, it's plotting for you the subject 0 first file, which is before mental arithmetic. These are all the data from all the sensors, or from all the electrodes. What if I only need, for the before, I only need FP1 and FP2 for my group? Okay, so what do? Subject 1, first of all, I'll choose FP1. And then remember again, for the before, for 1, the length of the file or the duration of the data is 3 minutes. So it's not 10 seconds, not 1 minute, it's not 1 hour, it's not 12 hours. I want the file from beginning to end. Okay? What do I want to do with this data? I want to export it as .math file. Okay? Scroll down, you see you have a number of files. We're only interested in those 2. And you only, so download these 2. Let's say I'll download the first one, save link as. What is it? It's subject sub 0, 1, or you can say before, and then FP1, right? Save. Now I'm gonna save FP2. So just select it, give it some time to load, and then you notice here it's gonna give you the same file, the same name. You just save link as and save it as another name. So what did we have before? We had sub 0 before, FP1, now it's going to be FP2. Save. Okay. And then let's go to MATLAB. Let's navigate to the file. Okay. I don't want to see that. I want it here. Sorry. So it is open. Okay. Delete this. So I have subject 0 before FP1, subject 0 before FP2. I want the after data, or the during. So it's going to be subject 0, 2, and then again FP1 first. Save link as. I'm just going to rename it sub 0 after. FP1. Okay. And then FP2. Again, I keep making the same mistake. It's not after, it's during. And then FP2. Save. Let's edit the other name. This is not after, it's during. Oops. Here. Okay. Go back to MATLAB. So I have FP1 before and FP1 during. Let's plot that. Let's say new script. So you want to know about B spectrum. So you do doc B spectrum and you'll get the information on how to use B spectrum. I'm gonna use this format. Okay. Let's say by the way, if I download the info file, let's download one of them. Save link as or just keep the same name. Save. And then you open the info file, you can see that the sampling frequency is 500 Hertz. Okay, so here my fs is 500 Hertz. Let's say P1 or P FP1 before is P FP1. Let's import it. Actually, this time I'm not just gonna drag and drop. I'll do right click and then import data. You'll see why in a moment. Here, the variable name for all of them will be val. So what I'm gonna do is just rename variable to sub 0 before FP1. Okay, and finish. It's Control C or Command C. Right click, import. Rename again. Notice it's the same name val. So I'm just gonna paste the file name. Finish. Command C. Right click, import. Rename. Finish. Right click. Let's copy the name first. Command C. And then right click, import. Change the name. Finish. So here you can see for before the data is what? Longer than for the during. Obviously we know that. But if you wanted to confirm, then let's do this. Let's divide 91000 by fs. You get 182, sorry, divided by 60, and that's 3 minutes. What about the other one? It's 3100 over S 62 50 at 1 minute. Now going back to our code, let's edit it a little bit. Let's do it another way. Let's say figure, and this is sub 0 before FB1 hold on, doing the same before, or actually let's see the after. Sorry, during. Okay. So this is the difference. Let's add a legend so that we know what is what. Legend before, during. Okay, so the blue one is the before, FB1 before, and the orange one is FB1 after. So you'll be analyzing what is happening and at which frequencies.